Happy people, I'm back with another video and welcome to day 9 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. And in this series, I'm going to be swatching out all of the gel polishes that I have in my entire collection. I do have a dedicated playlist for this series and I'll link that down in the description box below. And I hope you all are enjoying the series so far. But today I'm going to be reviewing some gel polishes that I got in from Madam Glam. This is their Christmas collection for 2025. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to day 9 of my 12 days of Swatchmas. Okay, so Madam Glam was kind enough to send over another collection as well. This is their Christmas collection, the Jingle and Joy collection. So let's hop into these colors. Okay, so this collection looks like it comes with 3 creams and 5 glitters. So let's take a closer look at each one. The first color we have here is Cranberry Cheer. Ooh. So this is a really beautiful kind of brick red color as well. Perfect for the holiday season. Berry Bordeaux. This is a beautiful deep wine purple color. Like a deep plum color, that's what I meant to say. A beautiful deep plum, very cute. Silent Night. Ooh, really nice muted blue. Some of these colors though look really similar to what was included in the advent calendar. I guess they're slightly different. Okay, so this is the advent calendar. This was Midnight Ride. Let me see, they look kind of similar. Okay, they're not the same, but they look very, very similar. So these are the 2 blues side by side. This one's slightly more royal. This one's a little bit more muted, but they look very, very similar, I must say. And also this red looks similar to what was included in the advent calendar as well. This one here is Holly Berry on the left, and on the right we got Cranberry Cheer. Let's take a closer look at these two. I mean, these look pretty similar as well. What do you guys think? I mean, I think this one is ever so slightly lighter, but I mean, to the naked eye, I'd say they look just alike. Oops. But yeah, I'd say to the naked eye, they look pretty darn similar if you ask me, but those are those 2. The next color we have here is Arctic Pearl. Beautiful, beautiful, heavily packed silver glitter. Gorgeous, okay. Fireside Spark. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous. This is so fun and festive. Look at how fully packed this glitter is. Gorgeous red, kind of pinkish glitter. Very, very beautiful. Midnight Tinsel. Oh, look at that purple. This is a fun purple glitter. It has blues, purples, and silvers in it. Really, really beautiful. I love how densely packed these are. Twilight Toll. Oh, another beautiful, gorgeous, fully packed glitter. We got blues, we got purples. Really, really beautiful. Last but not least, we have Mistletoe Glow. This is a really gorgeous green color as well. It does look like tinsel that you'd put on a Christmas tree. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get to swatching, you guys. Cranberry Cheer. Really beautiful red color here. Gorgeous, nice and opaque. Berry Bordeaux. And Silent Night. Gorgeous blue. Beautiful. Arctic Pearl. Wow. Like I said, these glitters are so densely packed. I absolutely love that. You can get away with 1 coat if you wanted to. Very, very beautiful. Fireside Spark. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's 1 swipe, y'all. So gorgeous. I love it. I love these glitters. They're so beautiful. Midnight Tinsel. Look at that. 1 swipe. These are so fun. How pretty. Twilight Toll. Gorgeous. Mistletoe glow. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, y'all, these colors are great. Perfect, perfect for the holiday. All right, I'm gonna go in with 2 coats and I'll be right back. Okay, happy people, this is what the Jingle and Joy collection is looking like. This is a really beautiful Christmas collection. I love all of these glitters in this collection, but let's get closer looks at each one. First color we have here is Cranberry Cheer, which is just really beautiful, kind of brick red color. Berry Bordeaux, which is this gorgeous deep plum color. Silent Night, which is this gorgeous muted blue color. Now we're getting into the glitters. I love these so much. We have Arctic Pearl, which is this really gorgeous deeply densely packed silver. We have Fireside Sparkle, which is this really vibrant red slash pinkish glitter color, also very, very densely packed with those glitters, very beautiful. Midnight Tinsel, which is this really fun purple that has really fine purple, blues, and silver glitters in them. Midnight Tulle, which is this really beautiful festive blue glitter. It also has some purples and some silvers in it, maybe even some hints of green or teal. And honestly, I think that these 2 colors will pair very, very beautifully together. And then if I take it back a notch, I think that the Midnight Tinsel and the Berry Bordeaux would pair very beautifully together. And then that Fireside Sparkle and that Cranberry Cheer, I also think would pair very beautifully together. And then the last color we have from this collection is the Mistletoe Glow, which is a really beautiful green color that's also very densely packed with those glitters. And honestly, I think these 2 would make a really cool pairing for a nice little Christmas set. So yeah, y'all, these are all the colors that's included in the Jingle and Joy collection. I think they did a very, very beautiful job with this Christmas collection this year. Again, if you all are interested in any of these products, I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. I am going to leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to get this collection or that really cool advent calendar. I really liked all the colors that were included in that. I did notice there were some overlaps with some of the colors. A few seem to be very similar, but I think there's enough of a difference for sure to warrant getting both if you're interested in both. And I also think with this collection it has some really good pairings, as I showed you all earlier. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know, did you guys get your hands on that advent calendar and or this beautiful Christmas collection from Madam Glam? I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.